Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this photo vintage style, and here I will use the Nano banana to transform the regular photo to become this style. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can go to this Google AI Studio, and after that you will go to this Try Nano Banana. And for example here I will start to upload the picture, and for example I will choose this one. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. Transform this image into the warm vintage inspired portrait of a person seated in an old dusty attic or the study, and also the person with a soft slightly styled hair and also sitting upright in a plush dark red armchair like this, and also looking directly towards the viewer or the camera with a gentle yet slightly melancholic or intriguing expression. And this will be the details about what she or the object or the person's wearing. And also this will be the setting. Should be dimly lit but also dramatic shaft of golden sunlight pouring in from a tall arched window on the right side of the frame, like this for example. And also the room is filled with old wooden trunks and also stacks of books, and also perhaps the antique bird cage, suggesting the forgotten memories and also the rich history. So this will be the trunk and also the cage. And after that this will be the atmosphere, like the nostalgic, intimate, and also a bit mysterious. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result or the output down here. And after waiting for maybe 15 seconds, so this will be the result guys. A little bit similar, but a little bit different, but still in similar theme of the vintage attic portrait. So don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.